Hello everybody and welcome to this week's how-to series at Two Blind Guys. So today we're going to show you how to remove the Hunter Douglas PowerView surface mounted wall remote. That is for the PowerView motorized shades. So this is actually attached to the wall. If you pull on it, it's not going anywhere. So you actually have to turn it to the left and then pull it away from the mounting plate. If you look at the back of the surface remote itself, you actually have two grooves here, and you can see the mounting plate, it lines up with those. So again, you can't pull it off by just pulling on it. You have to turn it to the left and then pull it away. So to actually separate the remote from the ring itself, you just push it through the center here. So there is a video separate from this that will show you how to change the batteries in the back of this. So if you need to do that, the link is in the description below, and that's going to be the same for the PowerView Pebble remote. It's the same way to change the batteries as this surface itself. So when you go to reinstall this, the key is to line up those grooves with the wall-mounted plate there, and then you slide your remote back in. So the remote fits nice and snug in there, and you can adjust it. So the key to do this is put the ring on and then the remote, because if you don't, this is what happens. If I put the actual remote in here and I just slide it in, and then I go to find the mounting plate on the wall, they're not lined up, it's off-centered. So that's why you want to start with the actual ring itself on the mounting plate and then put in the remote to make sure it's straightened and lined up correctly. So that is how you change the batteries in the Hunter Douglas PowerView wall-mounted surface remote.